AI, we are talking day and night. HI, human intelligence. First we must understand the human intelligence, then we shall delve into the AI, the artificial intelligence. And on a serious note, if AI becomes full powerful, AI to alien power is possible, yes or not, we need to dwell on that. I was listening to a video talk, Professor Javed, so made my notes on that. First of all, since he is a doctor himself, he very well explained that how the human intelligence works. We know that whole life we keep on gathering data, perceptions, through knowledge, through family background. We collect data. We form our mechanics of information. Then the God has given us 5 senses. We collect our information from those senses, and then we compare those inputs of those senses with our database. But these senses have got limitations. Like we know that colors, we know that only 7 colors, but nature doesn't have 7 colors, it has got millions of colors, but human beings can recognize only up to 7 colors. Same way, a taste, we have 3 types of taste, but then tastes of many types. Same way the sound, we can hear sounds up to the 20,000 decibels, but then sound are of many high gravity also. So like that, even on the touch, they say that we can only differentiate up to the 2 finger points. We cannot go beyond touch sensors beyond that. So the human receptors has got limitations, and human got a huge knowledge base, and that is what is creating a imbalance and imbalance. We know that humans, we know that this data and comparison with the memory, we do that. But then we human beings has got one super intelligence, that is intelligence of imagination. We, having compared the receptors input with our data, we can further imagine that. And that imagination is the power of human beings. Now that power is going to the artificial intelligence, right? So that captured data makes the decision. We have seen how computers were able to do the fast decisions in our day-to-day life. Like in library, we can locate the content, or in office, we can find the faster calculations, or in accounts, we can make different type of permutation combinations of data analysis. But now when the artificial intelligence is getting power, how it works, we will see into that. With the AI, artificial intelligence, it has become possible to develop patterns and algorithms based upon those patterns. Because human beings have got patterns, but then they have got the limitations of those patterns and algorithm on that pattern. Now this is expanding. With that, the new kind of shape which artificial intelligence is going to take, which will be super intelligence. Yes, it is possible to have bias in the artificial intelligence also, but the modeling, specialized modeling done, it will be done for different kind of task, and humans will be replaced by artificial intelligence or not is a big question. People every day they say we have made the artificial intelligence, none can replace us. But there is a warning. The day artificial intelligence get the idea, the thought generation of its own, then it is possible to get some kind of idea, a wild idea, which will influence the masses. You understand? The artificial intelligence will create an idea. That idea could be destructive or constructive. If it is destructive, that idea will impact all those decision makers, all those opinion makers, and it could be disastrous. Even to the extent that people say, can artificial intelligence generate wars? Yes, it can. Maybe artificial intelligence itself cannot go out of the computer and do any damage, but it can influence the people. It can influence the masses. That will do that. That will do that. So, popular saying, artificial intelligence is just like a bullet train. You are either in or you are out. If you are out, it is not simply out. Maybe you will be out on the track and the bullet train will smash the people who are not out. So there won't be any choice. You have to be in. You have to be with AI. If you are using AI, you will be smarter. If you are not using AI, yes, you will be replaced. Okay, right. Thank you.